Good morning, viewer. Welcome to our Posak TV. Here is the breaking news from India. Yes, why the Nagaland Assembly is said to be opposition free for the first time? One interesting fact about the election in Nagaland is that in the year 1964, no national level, state level or registered party contested the election. Elections were contested by 73 independent candidates. Nagaland does have a lot of political parties, but it is soon inching towards an opposition-less assembly as almost all parties have extended support to the NDPP-BJP alliance which won the election. The NDPP and BJP own 25 and 12 of the 60 seats respectively. With this, the two parties have 37 MLAs in the house, where the magic mark is 31. While the NDPP and BJP are yet to stake a claim to form the government, they have received unconditional support from a lot of political parties as they get ready to begin another innings in Nagaland. LGD and RPI have already submitted letters of support to the NDPP-BJP. The NCP, which is the third single largest party, has supported an unconditional letter of support to the NDPP. The party's MLA Y. Mohan Bebo Hamso told PTI. The General Secretary of the NPF, Achummebo Kiko, who is newly elected MLA, said that although a final decision is yet to be taken, the party's two members are likely to extend support to the government. With all these parties set to extend support, the NDPP-BJP alliance in Nagaland will have another all-party government. In 2015 and 2021, opposition-less government had been formed during the ongoing term of the government. However, this would be the first ever assembly which will be opposition-less even before the MLAs have been sworn in on the floor of the house. In another first, Hekani, Jakhalu Kans and Salhautono course of the BJP's alliance partner National Democratic Progressive Party became the first two women MLAs to be elected in Nagaland. In 1977, Nagaland elected Radio Mese Saiza as its first woman MP for the Lok Sabha. She had contested on a United Democratic Party ticket. In 2022, the BJP nominated Pangon Konak as a Rajya Sabha member from Nagaland. This year, the turnout for the Nagaland was also impressive. The state registered a 90% turnover for the first time. If one looks at the trends over the years, the women voters in Nagaland have always been more dominant. The fact that two women were voted for the first time is significant, while the women participation in the elections have always been impressive. Their representation has been dismal over the years. Another interesting fact about Nagaland is that in 1964, no national level or state level party or any registered party contested the election. Only 73 independent candidates contested the election that year.